Hi, my name's Karen Goss and I am one of the mentors here at Wealth Mentor. One of the questions I get asked all the time is, where is the best place to invest? And the reality is, there's no one single best place. It all comes down to your strategy and what you are trying to achieve. For example, if you wanted to build an apartment building, you wouldn't want to go invest in a small rural town. And at the same time, if you wanted to create a lifestyle subdivision, you probably wouldn't want to be in an urban CBD. Now, those are obviously two pretty extreme examples, but I wanted to try and prove a point. First things first, your strategy, what you are trying to achieve, is going to be the most important thing. Once you know what your strategy is, that's going to give you guidance into which area to invest in. The second thing that you want to be looking at is, where is the government spending money? Where are the infrastructure projects going in around the country? Because that is an indicator that there's going to be further growth coming into that region. Which leads me into the third point, growth. Where are the property prices already growing? There are plenty of places you can go and get this data in order to see that property prices are in fact increasing, decreasing, and come up with the minimum growth number that you would like. The reason why we do this is, one, it's giving you automatic equity, and two, because it means if you make any mistakes, the market simply eats it up. Genius. What is the minimum population size that you would actually like to invest in? What is your risk tolerance? Are you happy to invest in a smaller town? Or are you wanting to stick to more of a city? So what is the absolute minimum town size, population size that you would invest in? And then you take all of that data, look at the country and say, where are the areas that fit within these criteria? And then you go out and you look for the deal or the property that fits within that area. So that, my friends, is how you decide if an area is a good place to invest in or not. It comes down to your strategy, where the government is spending money, what the growth rates are, and does that area reach the minimum population size that you're comfortable investing in?